All right, it is Friday morning, July 16th, 2021. This is part 28, Sightseeing with Dignity Human Rights Art Series, artwork 47 in progress. Hey buddies, how we doing? All right, busy eating wheatgrass, shoveling. All right, it's coming along. I removed the tape from the top borders and the upper left and left center here. Still have a lot of fine tuning to do. There's a lot of grouty bits, as they might say. And where would they say that in Scotland? Broughty, Ferry, Grouty bits in Broughty, Ferry, Scotland. I've biked over there. Back in, I guess it was 2015. Hey, how we doing, boys? Oh, great. Good show. Jolly good show. Oh, that's the best news I've heard all day. Yeah, especially after watching the world and national news for a little while on television this morning. Good work, boys. Yes, thank you so much. You get extra treats later. Some extra melon spray. All right, there you have it.